So, radiology workflows are pretty robust, but what about the rest of enterprise imaging? Well, today I'm going to talk about a profile that will help make that really straightforward. Let's talk about EBIW.
Hey, I'm Brad. I'm a healthcare integrator in a vast ecosystem of healthcare applications. We connect these applications using standards like HL7, FHIR, and DICOM, and bring it all together with IHE, thus making the world a better place for all, for doctors, for nurses, and ultimately for the patient. This is Healthcare Standards and Profiles.
So, encounter-based imaging workflow, or EBIW, gives us the means to be able to do the entire style of radiology workflow for encounter-based imaging. This is really important when you think about, for example, when I'm going to capture dermatology images, let's say for a skin lesion. We don't, as we think, let's capture an image, we don't think about, do I need to take an order? I write myself an order to be able to acquire that image. I'm going to take that image, I'm going to store that to a PACS, I'm going to write a report. A lot of these workflows don't make a ton of sense for these encounter-based imaging when it's on demand. So EBIW gives us the kind of workflow that we need to be able to take what works amazing in radiology imaging and bring that into the enterprise imaging world. Let's see how that works.
The EBI profile is straightforward, specifying how to capture appropriate context, populate relevant indexing fields, link to the related metadata, and ensure that images are accessible and connected into the medical record. Images generated through encounter-based imaging workflow should work the same as radiology images captured in the traditional order, acquire, and send to a PACS. It should be the same as if the clinician placed the order. We start at the point of acquisition, the acquisition modality or the lightweight modality depending on the type of device, whether it is a full-on acquisition modality like a point-of-care ultrasound that can acquire or construct the pixels themselves, or a lightweight modality in which it may import pixels and device metadata from a separate image capture device, for example, a digital camera. The modality can retrieve the encounter metadata and patient demographics from the encounter manager, either using the modality worklist or via UPSRS. The encounter-based imaging information model provides all the needed metadata, including patient information, visit information, encounter information, clinical notes, imaging procedure information, as well as structure that can be used to construct the DICOM objects that are then sent to the image manager, either using DICOM Web or DIMSY DICOM. And that's it. To learn more about EBIW and the rest of the IHE profiles, visit ihe.net.
So now you've got the tools you need to be able to do encounter-based imaging workflow. And with that, let's go do something great. Take care.